Hi guys. So perfect weather for hot pakode and garma garam chai. Husband is just coming from office. I'm really excited because I was craving this badly. So this is pyaz or aloo ke pakode and I'll make tea after that. So let's prepare and let's just surprise him. So I've already got the batter ready. It's time to just deep fry it. So let's take some oil. So guys, he's already here.
क्या बन रहा है? अरे वाह, पकौड़ी!
It's ready. Let's eat.
So crispy.
Wow.
If this is what I get when I come back from office, I want to go office every day.
Okay, bye guys.